Hello my students, how are you? Today inshallah we will study Unit 2, Lesson 4 and 5. The title of this unit is It's My Favorite Subject. Let's look at the new words. Canoe, train, car, lake, snow, Uganda, only, again, French, bus, cycle, snowmobile, PE, physical education, USA, village, winter, rain, meet. Words and opposites: important, unimportant, good at, bad at, friendly, unfriendly, high, low, cheap, expensive, healthy, unhealthy. Let's look at these language notes. Number 1. Before the means of transportations we can put the preposition by. قبل وسائل المواصلات بحط حرف الجر by. By car, by taxi, by bus, by train، بس بشرط ان ما يكونش فيه اي حاجة ما بين وسيلة المواصلات وما بين حرف الجر by. يعني ما يكونش فيه حاجة زي a او ذا او my او his او an، الكلام ده كله. طيب افرض انا حبيت ادخل كلمة من الكلمات دي ما بين وسيلة المواصلات وما بين حرف الجر، في الحالة دي مش هنستخدم باي، تمام؟ هنستخدم يا اما on يا اما in. طيب امتى بنحط on وامتى بنحط in؟ in مع وسائل مواصلات معينة، هما بالتحديد 3 وسائل مواصلات: in a car, in a taxi, or in a canoe. تمام؟ مع حد من ال3 دول: car، تاكسي، كانو. طيب اي وسيلة مواصلات تانية بنحط حرف الجر on. تمام؟ لو هنحط كلمة زي كلمة a او an او ذا او my او his او الكلام ده كله. طب نيجي نبص على الاكزامبل الاولاني: I go to school by bus. by bus على طول. لو احنا ملاحظين محطناش في النص ما بين by ووسيلة المواصلات اللي هي باص، محطناش اي كلمة. طيب افرض انا عايزة احط كلمة ذا في النص، يبقى هشيل باي وهحط on. I go to school on the bus. on the bus. تمام؟ طيب the second example: my father goes to work by car. by car على طول، by car على طول من غير اي حاجة في النص ما بينهم. افرض عايز اقول his car، يبقى اقول in his car. in his car. okay. number 2 we have the verb take. take plus object معناها يوصل إلى. take بيجي بعديها مفعول به معنى يوصل إلى. for example: canoe takes the children to school every day. الزورق بيأخذ أو يوصل الأطفال إلى المدرسة كل يوم. the second example: the bus takes us home after school. الأتوبيس بيوصلنا us نحن إحنا المفعول للمنزل بعد المدرسة. okay. let's look at this exercise. ده شكل من أشكال الأسئلة اللي هتجيلك في الامتحان، بتبقى عبارة عن text or passage. تمام؟ for reading عشان تقرأه and to answer the question عشان تجاوب على السؤال اللي بيجيبولك بعد كده. بيجيب لك 2 types of questions، نوعين من الأسئلة. النوع الأولاني اللي هو read and answer. read the question and answer يعني هتقرأ السؤال وهيجاوب عليه من خلال فهمك للباسج دي، للقطعة دي. النوع التاني اللي هو choose the correct answer، برضو من خلال فهمك للقطعة. هنا هنقرأ القطعة، هقرأها لكم وبعد كده الأسئلة انتوا هتحلوها بنفسكم. okay. every morning children from a far village in Egypt cycle to school. it's a cheap and healthy way to travel. They can always arrive on time. It's also hard for children who live next to Panyoni in Uganda. Their school is on the other side of the lake, so they don't walk to school. They go in a canoe. The canoe takes the children to school and home again every day. In winter, there is a lot of snow in the USA, so the children travel to school and home again on a snowmobile. They do their best to arrive on time. answer the following questions. Number 1. How many forms of transport are there in the passage? Forms of transport means وسائل المواصلات. Number 2. How do children in USA travel to school? Number 3. What does the underlined word there refer to? معنى السؤال التالت ده ايه؟ اللي هو الضمير او كلمة there دي عايدة على مين في القطعة؟ كانت عايدة على مين؟ اقصد مين ب there. تمام؟ Choose the correct answer from A, B, C or D. A canoe is used in villages, school, lakes, homes. Number 5. It's to go to school on a bike. Useful, unhealthy, happy, bad. 6. Cycle means to go by bus, by bike, by canoe, by snowmobile. Here, choose the correct answer from A, B, C or D. I'm going to answer the first one and you have to answer the others. Number 1. The canoe. Children to school and home again every day. الزورق ده بيعمل ايه؟ احنا قلنا يوصل. يبقى ايه معناها ايه كلمة يوصل؟ takes children to school and home again every day. Number 2. Answer it by yourself. He goes to school by bike. He likes painting, walking, cycling, driving. Number 3. Are you good science? Good at, good for, good to, good in. Number 4. Where the boys live in the USA, there is a lot of in winter, so they use a snowmobile. Snow, wind, rain, water. Read and correct the underlined words. I'm going to answer the first one and you have to answer number 2 and 3 by yourself. Number 1. Walking to school is healthy and expensive. Walking to school المشي للمدرسة healthy صحي and expensive وغالي. No, it's cheap رخيص. CHEAP cheap. CHEAP. Number 2. My brother usually go to work on foot. Go. Number 3. Who is books are these? They are Ahmed's.